You've probably noticed this. Two SaaS companies can build completely different kinds of success. One perfects its product until it practically sells itself. The other builds relationships so strong, customers do the selling for them. Both work. But they represent two very different philosophies of growth. It's the difference between designing for scale and designing for loyalty, between self-service and hands-on service, between letting your product guide the user journey and letting your user shape the product journey. So in this video, we'll break down product-led growth and customer-led growth, when to choose each, how they actually work, and how you can plan, track, and optimize both directly inside ClickUp, your all-in-one workspace for product, marketing, and customer success. Let's start with product-led growth, or PLG. Think of tools like Figma or Dropbox. You start using them for free, they make your day easier, and before you know it, your entire team's on board. PLG works best when your product delivers instant value, something users can explore and fall in love with on their own, without friction. So choose product-led growth when your users can get that kind of value by experimenting with the product themselves, without needing demos, training, or constant follow-ups. But to pull this off, your product needs constant iteration, clarity, and visibility across teams. And that's where ClickUp, which is the world's first converged AI workspace, really shines. You can start by visualizing your entire PLG journey with ClickUp mind maps, from the moment a user lands on your site to when they hit their first aha moment. Every branch can represent a user touch point or a product experiment, so you can literally see where value is realized and where it drops off. Then, bring structure with the product roadmap template. Plan your next releases, organize feedback, and turn those mind map insights into real, trackable projects. When it's time to execute, use ClickUp dashboards to track adoption data, like how many users tried a new feature or whether the overall sentiment on tweaking a feature was positive or negative. And when you want answers faster, just ask ClickUp Brain, the context-aware AI, to do the digging for you. It can analyze product usage patterns and instantly tell you which features users love most, helping you focus your energy on what's actually working. Now, let's switch gears. Customer-led growth, or CLG, flips the focus from the product to the user. Here, your growth comes from the people who already trust you, your customers. Think of companies like Salesforce or Amazon. They've built their growth on a deep understanding, knowing exactly what their users need, listening closely, and delivering experiences that keep them coming back. Now, CLG works best for products that are complex or enterprise-focused. So go for it when your product needs a guided experience, where support, onboarding, and relationships drive retention. And this is where ClickUp can once again become your growth partner. You can map your entire customer journey visually with ClickUp whiteboards, from that first interaction to ongoing support. It helps your team spot friction points early and design smoother customer experiences together. Then use the customer success plan template to turn that plan into action. Set clear touch points, assign owners, and make sure every customer gets timely attention. Next, bring visibility to your team with ClickUp dashboards. Track satisfaction scores, renewal rates, or even identify at-risk accounts before problems grow. And when you're swimming in feedback, ClickUp Brain can summarize it for you. Spot recurring themes, surface customer pain points, and give your team quick insights so you can act fast and stay close to your users. Here's the thing, most SaaS teams don't live on one side of the fence. They blend both. In fact, that's what we at ClickUp do too. The product pulls new users in. Customer success keeps them for the long run. It's not an either-or, it's a loop. But keeping that loop connected, that's where most teams struggle. Product, marketing, and customer success often work in silos, chasing the same goals, just from different angles. That's where ClickUp brings it all together. It keeps every team, from product to customer success, working in sync. Ideas, updates, feedback, and results all flow in one place, so everyone sees the same picture and moves toward the same goal. So whether your product sells itself or your customers do the selling, growth happens when both work in sync. Make it happen for you. Sign up for free at ClickUp.com.